of houses. We gotta move though.
No, it's coming from in front of me, dude. It's straight at Gatka. Like if you go to Gatka.
Alright,
there's two shots. There's both. They're coming from ahead and from the
northeast.
Oops.
Alex, you're gonna have people.
But there's no cover there.
I see him already.
Just watch how you fire over there, Alex. There's at least one guy.
Yeah, I know. I'm down. I'm in circle. I'm good.
Right. I'm in this little tunnel thing, so I got covered.
Just crawling across the grass, but I don't see.
The shots are coming from Gatka. And I'm up on this hill now. I don't see anybody here.
Peach, to your left.
My left?
Yeah, your left. I'm pretty sure I saw somebody.
How far left?
Can you watch for me? I'm gonna stand up and walk and let them. I'll bait it out.
No, dude, that's a bad idea. Cause
I have an M24, man. You're not gonna. All right.
They're in those houses.
Yeah.
That shot hit border.
Ooh, I have an M24 too.
Oh, he's in the window of the second story house.
Shoot him out. He doesn't know you're there. He's shooting at us.
I don't have a shot. I can't see. My scope is...
Which house? Which house?
Second house. Second story house behind the grain, that pointed window.
I don't. Pointed window.
I mean the pointed fucking house. The thing with the...
I see him. He's on the one closest to us.
Oh, wait. To our left. To our left.
We gotta move.
Yeah, I know.
I knocked one.
I knocked one other. Oh shit.
Oh, he died. Oh, I can't run.
Oh, I'm getting shot at. By this guy in the window. I'm dead. He's in the window. Do you see him? Master.
Yeah. I don't see... Which window?
Shit, behind us. Yeah. Res me. Nice, dude. Oh, I can't believe he didn't kill you. I cannot believe
he's in the house you're looking at.
Okay.
Yeah, oh my god.
He's right there. You just saw him. You got knocked.
Right,
do you have any nades?
Oh boy.
That's a flashbang.
Doesn't matter.
Alright, I'm coming in.
You just flash yourself.
We're coming in.
He's in his building that Masterlaw's at. Knocked out. You have any nades? Or are they all just flashbangs?
There's 5 people still alive, so that's not the only guy we need to worry about.
Oh, you gotta be careful in there, dude. There might be more than one person in there. Try to get a nade up there if you can, dude.
Yeah.
He's on the stairs, you just saw him.
Yeah.
I just got lit from that other building. The other 2-story. Don't come out.
I'm not.
That might roll down to you.
Fuck.
Oh,
No. Damn it.
That's a really bad spot, dude, to deal with.
Yeah, I have no place.
You could have sat in the corner right here. There's at least 2 people in that building you're in.
Yeah.
Master.
Yeah.
That's a bad angle to throw them at.
There's 5 other people alive, so don't tunnel vision on this one dude.
No, there's at least 2 in Master's building. At least.
There's 2, yeah, for sure.
Guy outside? He's outside. You're shooting the wall. You're not standing up.
Nice.
No, don't stand over him like that.
Get cover, guys. You're in the zone. They have to come to you.
You're not in the zone, Master.
Come to the zone, dude.
On my way.
Watch that corner right there.
Are you playing in first person?
I am now.
No, use that advantage of third person to see around the corner.
But it's really hard for me to play third person.
But
you're full body
teams
peeking in your first person.
There's 2 left. There's 2 other teams. There's 2 guys in here.
There's 3 people left, besides you guys.
There's a guy in this building. There's 2 guys in this building minimum. I got this door. Just make sure you got that door.
I got it.
There's got to be 3 in this house, no?
I think there's 1 in the other house, the far side house. But the zone's coming to the guy now.
Oh, dude.
Oh, shit.
Well, you definitely know he's there.
Yeah.
You're definitely at a disadvantage, Master.
They are or we are?
You are playing in...
Oh, shit. He's on the right side.
Really hard, dude.
Oh, dude.
Two left.
You got me.
No.
Behind you, behind you.
Reload. Shit.
I got to heal.
Dude, I gotta play in that way. See how it fucks me up as soon as I move? I push tab and all the wrong
push him
keys.
left.
Behind you.
Gotcha,
Nice.
Fucking
right.
Choni ma, motherfucker!